Welcome to our show, Coffee with Dr. Charul. I am your host, Dr. Charul. Now, today's guest is Dr. Seema Mittal, जो कि मेरी मम्मी है, मेरी इंस्पिरेशन है. Welcome to our show, मम्मी.
Thank you. Today is a very special day for my daughter, Dr. Charul Mittal, because she has been awarded Pride of Rajasthan by the RNSS. हम अभी just gift लेकर ही आए हैं prize, and I take this opportunity to congratulate her and wish her all the best.
Thank you, mummy. Thank you. Um, Now, I would like to introduce my mother. She's a gynecologist in Jaipur from JLN Ajmer and presently director of Mittal MCH Care Jaipur. So now, mummy, ma'am, first question will be, what is family planning?
Family planning is a way of life. It is child by choice.
Okay, so how do you view this?
See, child by choice is a wonderful concept and a wonderful way of life. So, how can you have child by choice? By delaying the first, spacing the second, and stopping the third.
In my OPD, I have seen some newlywed couples. They don't. I've found that they don't want pregnancy soon. So, to those couples, what is the best contraceptive we can suggest them?
Yes, newlywed couples should be counseled properly, and they should be then they should be suggested some good method, and the best method for this is oral contraceptive pills. And if there is no contraindication, medical contraindication is not there, then they can be counseled to give. Only thing is that for 21 days they have to take religiously.
Okay. So, what is the method we can suggest them to space the second child? Like,
See, like in India, it is two child population policy. So the second child should only be planned when the first child goes to the school. So for spacing the second child, there are many methods, but the best are the intrauterine contraceptive device, which are for 5 years or 10 years. They are multi-load, copper T, LNG, and 3 monthly injections of DMP, and Norplant, which has been recently introduced as a national family planning program, and in government hospitals it is inserted free of charge also.
okay. So, if the patient has completed the family and doesn't want any more children, then what we should suggest them?
Yes, they should take a decision of going for sterilization. That is a permanent method. So it can be a male sterilization or a female. Female sterilization is more popular, and the best is the laparoscopic sterilization, which is only a 2 minutes procedure, and a very small incision is given, and there is no rest required, and the patient is just discharged in 4 hours, and that is best. And this is we are doing at a Mittal MCH Care Jaipur. If any patient wants to avail this opportunity or this facility, can avail very well at Mittal MCH Jaipur according to the government program, free of charge.
So, last question will be, how does family planning awareness actually empowers the women, not just medically, but socially and emotionally as well?
Of course, for empowerment of women, family planning is very important. If she can plan her family, she can plan her future. If any career she is pursuing, if any study she is doing, she can complete that, and after that she can plan a pregnancy. It is good for both the family as well as for the coming child also. And she will be less stressed when she plans a pregnancy according to her wishes, and she will enjoy the motherhood. So we should not deprive anybody because of an unplanned pregnancy the joys of motherhood.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am, for sharing such beautiful information. And now I would like to thank Dr. Seema Mittal for coming on our show. And those who want to consult her, you can note down the phone number, that is 9414386734. And the hospital name is Mittal MCH Care in Jaipur.